Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, it's raining. It's raining man. Hallelujah. So again, ulit. It's always raining in my place. Anyway, I don't have a voice guys. No, it's not that I don't have a voice, but paus ba paus. Oh my god, I don't want to sing again in my life. Anyway guys, this is an update for our house. So actually they stopped working for now. There are 3 laborer in our house guys, because you know, we need to stop. We need to save money first guys, so life must go on. With or without you. Anyway, a huge shout out to MTP Minasim Treats Production. What the heck, motherfucker. Anyway guys, my father he was always updating me. He was sending me videos every now and then. It's good. Oh my god, this is a huge rain. Oh my god. And our house. Oh my god. Hope they can fight, still fighting, and still fighting in this kind of situation guys. Struggle is real. It's okay guys. We don't have a roof yet. Yeah, the other side there's a roof, but the other side is, oh my god, auntie, what are you doing there? She's sweeping. Can't do that kind of stuff. It's a huge rain. Oh no. I remember when I was young in my childhood guys, we played in the rain. Yeah, you know, I like it. We run everywhere. My god, I just miss my childhood. So anyway guys, let's go back to the topic. Yes. So they need to set aside the things. As you can see guys, yan, our pan or our caldero, they put there and everywhere. Kasi para hindi siya mabasa ba. Yan. Na-separate nila yung mga dapat i-separate para hindi siya mabasa ng ulan. So yun na nga guys. Umulan pa rin hanggang ngayon. Ang tagal kaya matapos ng ulan. I think the whole afternoon. Yun. The whole afternoon, umulan siya. It was raining. Yan. Minto na siya konti guys. Ayun. Dahan-dahan na lang siya. So now guys, since the rain will stop, okay, my father was sweeping because the water comes into our house, so they need to sweep ba. Dapat mag-English yata yun. Ayan, para lalabas siya sa bahay namin. And all is wet, or all things are wet. Yeah, the washing machine, the TV, the refrigerator, all is wet. This is crazy, guys. Oh, that's my father. Yeah, that's my father, guys. Oh my god. Why is that? I don't know why is that happening to our place, into our home. OMG. So hopefully guys you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all and God bless. Catch you soon.